Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite drinks. This is Manhattan. I can't stop drinking this just because it's so multi-layered. It's pretty easy to make. Again, 3 ingredients. So you're going to want to cool down your glass again. Even though we're putting ice in there, I like to have it nice and cold. It's pretty easy. Gonna do 1 ounce of whiskey or bourbon, your choice. You can do rye, whichever you like. Also gonna do 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. And then the kicker is the Aromatic Bitters. So I have a little sample here. I have to dash it out. It's like 3 to 4 dashes. Here it's 12 for me because I got to shake it out of there. But the bitters make it the drink that it is. Stir in the glass, and then we're gonna strain into our nice glass. Looks great. I hope you enjoy it. And if you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe. I'm going to keep making them. If you like them, let me know in the comments. We'll see you next time.